Hi guys, this is the Apple silicone case for the iPhone 8. This is silicone material, so this is for the iPhone 8. You need to pull the tab here. Take this case out. So that's the case. It's got very soft feel, very nice to hold in the hand. It's got the Apple logo in grey. It's got the bottom openings to use for the dock, and this side is all plain. This one on the right side has got a power button which is covered. The top bit is plain, and on the left side the mute button and switch button is cut out, and on here you can see the volume buttons are covered. Inside is lined with microfiber materials to prevent from scratching. Even inside the edges all around, it's got the iPhone branding. You might not be able to see it, but forget the light. There, you can see it there. It says iPhone. So now this is the iPhone 8, which I bought yesterday on my birthday, May 27th. Today is May 28th, 2019. That's the date today. So to put the case in, as usual, says in the instructions on here. So top first and then bottom. So you put in the top first, and you just click it here, click it there. The phone comes on. That's how it looks like. Very nice. The bottom's opened, and the buttons very quickly. The volume and the mute switch is easy to access. So that's the Apple's silicone case in black. It's got a lip as well. Thank you guys.